When you have a cutout to make, lay the blanket next to the area and mark your cuts. It is hard to film one-handed, but slit the hook with a pair of scissors, tucking the centerpiece inside. You will also want to cut the loop side the amount needed to properly close. On this pipe it is about 3 inches. Now you will have a clean seamless piece. After installing the next piece of pipe, it leaves a raw seam that needs to be covered with a collar. These simple collars help clean up the seams and ensure a nice clean lap. Think of these blankets as an extension of the hard work you have put into your insulation and metal. Keep the laps clean, hide the seams, and your entire project will be beautiful. Since these blankets are made with K-Flex insulation, you can cut them down to size. There will always be another blanket to cover the next piece, like the T in this picture. With tight areas and custom blankets, look for numbers. Here you can clearly see R15R is for roper, that is the red pump. Properly installing the blankets visually makes all the difference. You work hard to make sure your metal looks good. Take the extra few minutes to let the blankets help complete your hard work.